I think surfboard design for the future is definitely going to be about materials. I think as far as reinventing the wheel, you can only change the rockers and stuff so much.
Everyone just loves their standard shortboard thruster setup.
A bunch of those boards that are in my garage are almost the same materials, roughly in a way, as what Greg Knoll was riding. Polyurethane foam, resin, fiberglass, a wood stringer down the middle.
There is nothing in the world like a polyurethane blank, fiberglass, 4-ounce top and bottom. You know, you just can't beat it. Urethane has a memory to it. It has a life. It has a soul. And the flex that you get out of that is in all ways. It flexes this way as well as flexes this way. What tends to happen over a period of time is styrene will evaporate. The soul that you had in your favorite board is no longer there. The industry did reach out to try to bring in new products.
You know, the fire wires and the parabolic rails.
Got the stringers in the rails, and it gives the board a whole different kind of responsiveness.
Things like that, and carbon fiber rails with no stringers at all.
The helix that's a big part of the design is getting that flex characteristic and getting the life into the board.
A flex tail board or a flexing board has been sort of a little bit of a holy grail, kind of a dream in people's minds. No one's really figured it out exactly.
It's fun to watch Taj right now because he's riding these firewires. He's riding boards that are totally manufactured in a different way. It's different materials. It's a whole different concept.
Take someone like Kelly or Taj or the Hobgoods to start trying other stuff and showing people that it goes really well before it actually catches on.
I get a lot of different materials and boards now that I never would have done while I was surfing in contests.
The future of surfboards is having a board you love, making something last longer, and duplicating it.
And I think a lot of that's going to come with the aid of computers and be able to design his own board out of a library of designs that have been put in there and go, I want to change this rail here. I think I've got this idea, I want to pull the nose in here or pull the tail in here or change the outline or put concave here. Send that down to the cutter and cut that and glass it and go surf it the next day.
If you want to scan like Kelly's magic board, the machine has the capability to run a laser along it and kind of get about 37 to 40 different measurements. We try to reproduce it and it comes out pretty close to the magic board.
That's where we're going to see a leap, I think, in design, is when the surfer becomes more vested in their own designs.
I think it's an area that board design has a lot of room to grow, which really excites me.